Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this series of GridPro version 9 feature, today we will discuss a feature called Smooth Topology. This feature is found under Topology Tools option in the menu bar. We get multiple input options which we will understand later using an example. The need of this feature is there to drastically reduce the grid generation time by giving an optimal position topology input to G-Grid engine. Now let's talk about G-Grid. It's the magic behind the scenes worker in GridPro that projects and smooths out the cell for the highest quality with the use of multiple parameters. But sometimes we're dealing with tons of blocks, think hundreds of thousands. It can take longer for G-Grid to arrive at an optimal grid. In this example, we have a valid topology for the nozzle, but the blocks are loosely positioned. I will select the block faces assigned to the symmetry plane for a better 2D view. Also, switching on the preview, we can see the algebraic mesh with current block position. Go ahead and run the G-Grid. It takes around 15 to 20 minutes on a computer with 16 GB RAM and around 2500 sweeps to give a grid with uniform cell placement and highest Q below 0.65. Now, instead of giving this crudely positioned wireframe to the G-Grid, if I use the Smooth Topology tool, I can achieve this quality of grid in 200 sweeps and barely 2 minutes. Here for input group, I will keep C2. Group C2 contains all the blocks except the faces assigned to the boundary faces. I do not want these blocks to be moved as the block faces are positioned well already. Number of sweeps. This is decided on trial and error basis. From my experience, I have only used 4 sweeps. More than that, I may end up over-smoothing the topology. Smooth type 0, 1, and 2 are actually different methods of smoothing. You can check about it in the GUI manual in section 4.8.4. In smooth type 0, only the interior corners are smoothened using the partial differential equation scheme. In smooth type 1, singular points are better adjusted using layered harmonic scheme. In smooth type 2, all the blocks are smoothened using partial differential equation scheme. I will keep it as default, which is 2. The updated interval is for visualization. It is useful when dealing with large number of blocks. It allows you to see the blocks moving slowly from their original to new position. However, in this case, since the smoothing process is very fast, the update interval won't make much difference. Click OK. Now my crude original topology is beautifully positioned. If I run the G-Grid, you can see the grid converges very quickly. It took only 200 sweeps and not more than 2 minutes to get the grid with better cell distribution and the cell quality. And here's the real kicker. When we compare the time it takes for G-Grid to work its magic with and without smooth topology, the difference is staggering. Comparison shows huge potential to reduce grid smoothing time for large cases. So there you have it. Smooth topology is your another secret weapon for speeding up grid generation. Give it a try and let us know how it goes. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next video. Happy gridding. If you want us to post tutorials on any specific geometry, you could write to us on support@gridpro.com. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, leave us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos.